Kirsty Baxter. I'm Head of Workforce Transformation with Health Education England, and I'm delighted to be here today with Mr Andrew Foster, Chief Executive of Wrightington, Wigan and Lee NHS Foundation Trust. As an experienced Chief Exec and senior leader in the world of workforce, what are the key challenges facing provider systems from your perspective?
Well, at the moment, I think we are in the middle of really a full-blown workforce crisis. That's not too much of an exaggeration. We are a service which is under massive pressure, and that is reflecting through into the pressure on staff. So what we need to rapidly do is both grow our workforce numbers and look after our existing staff better.
As Chair of the Greater Manchester Health and Social Care Partnership Strategic Workforce Board, what was the immediate priority given that context that you felt you needed to address?
So by having the collaborative power of all the organisations in Greater Manchester, plus the partnership between the Greater Manchester Health and Social Care Partnership and Health Education England, and the combined resources that have gone into that, can we use them to tackle those workforce challenges better than elsewhere?
And is that when you first sort of looked to how the Health Education England STAR might be able to help with that challenge?
Yes. I think pretty much the first phase of establishing the Greater Manchester Workforce Strategy and Collaborative was to ask each of the localities in Manchester to think about its locality workforce challenges. And the STAR tool appeared to be, or was, a methodology that enabled people to take on this quite complex set of questions. And also it mapped on quite closely to the set of priorities we determined as being the important ones for Greater Manchester. So we felt it was very useful as a tool in getting workforce planning going at locality level.
And where are those workforce plans up to now?
We ended up with 10 acceptable locality workforce plans, which were aggregated into a Greater Manchester plan. We're now into really the next year of that, and we've gone through a process of not requiring people to submit new locality plans, but to have locality planning workshops to try and make sure that people refresh their plans. And again, this is using the support of HEE to do this.